So hi guys, now here we are again. Now today we are going to solve this one. This is the size here. Question 2, line B. Okay, this is asked us to find the series. Okay, and we are in the same exam. Okay, in the same exam, we are going to complete the whole exam here. They asked to find the Maclaurin series of cosinus x and use it to find series of sinus square x. Okay, first we have to write down what is Maclaurin series. Okay, formula. Maclaurin series formula is this one. Okay, now what we are going to do, so let me split this one, just make this one. For n equal to 0, what we are going to have, f0. For n equal to 1, what we're going to have, we will get this one, x and 1 factorial and f of 0 for first derivative. Okay, first derivative, I will derive the function that they gave me and will apply for the origin, okay, at the point 0. Then plus x squared 2 factorial, and I will derive secondly at the point for second derivative, and I can go on and on. Okay, x to the power 3 by 2, by 3 okay, x to the power 3 by 3 factorial, okay, and f of 0 1 2 3, and plus this is the same, okay, and goes to infinite, and here it will start from this one, plus here it ended in 3, so from 4 to infinite, so it will be x to the power n upon n factorial, then f of this n from 0. Okay, now that we know, we will just take here, we will just take out 1 2 3, okay, 3 points. This one I will just dismiss. Okay, now cosinus, suppose it is cosinus of x. Okay, what will we get here for cosinus of x? It means that I will first work for f of this guy. Here fx, they say fx is cosinus of x. So f of 0 for cosines, okay, let me just, f for 0 at the origin, for cosine it will be what? Because I have already x, now I have just to find what is f of 0, f of 0, first derivative, f of 0, second derivative. That's all I need. Okay, yeah. Okay, here cos is equal to fx, so f of 0, it will be cos of 0. With cos of 0, it will be 1. Then go ahead, so f of 0 derivative, it means that first I will have cos x and I will derive, this one will be sin x, okay, negative. Okay, so then apply for 0, I will get minus sin of 0, this will be 0. Then I go for second one. Okay, I'll go for the second. Minus sinus, apply derivative, it will be minus sinus x derivative. Then what we'll get? I will get minus cos of x. So minus cos of 0, it will be minus 1. So on I will go. Okay, if I find for this the third term, so this will be 0. This will be I derive this one. This will be what? This will be sinus x positive. Okay, sin x, and if you just find for sine 0, it will be 0. Then find the fourth term. Okay, the fourth term, so it will be what? At 0, derive this sinus, it will be cosinus x. Cosine x, cosine of 0, this will be 1. So what are the points that I will just take out? This point, and this point. Okay, as you see, 1 minus 1 and 1. So it means that cos x will be, first f of 0 is 1. Then secondly, minus this guy, okay, because this guy, it will be 0. There will be no first term for cos because here it is 0, so it will be only directly for second term. Okay, second term will be minus 1. What is minus 1? Put here minus 1 for this one, and this one, when it is, if you see well, when this is odd, this guy will be 0. When this guy is odd, 0. Okay, it will have only value for x that is it will have only value when x is when n is even number. Yeah, as you can see, 1 0, 3 0, but 2 even, minus 1, 4 even, 1. Okay, then it will be minus 1, okay, minus let me just, x square by 2, okay, then f double derivative, okay, twice derived is minus 1, so I put here minus 1 plus, then go for the fourth, this one, plus this will be the fourth term, 4 factorial, then just play, this is times 1, okay, and it will go on and on and on. So in a nutshell, it will be, okay, from 1 2 3, okay, 0 1 2, 0 1 2, it will be, okay, so like 1 2, okay, 0 1 2, it will be from 3 and forward, okay, from 3 forward, and this will be x to the power n, okay, x to the power here, x to the power 2n, okay, 2n upon 2n factorial, okay, then minus 1 to the power n. Yeah, this is the general term for cos x function, okay, from 0 to till infinite. So from 0 to infinite, if it is 0, just put here 0 0, you'll get this one. If it is 1, put here 1 1 1 1 1, you'll get this, and so on. Okay, now that we know what is cos x, okay, cos x is 1 plus x squared upon 2, minus x squared upon 2 plus x to the power 4 upon 4 factorial, and this is 1 factorial, okay, and in the end we ended in this way, okay, the general form, okay, plus goes to infinite. But in general way, this will be n to the power 0, x to the power 2n upon 2n factorial minus 1 to the power n. Okay, this is cos, okay, this is cosinus, in Maclaurin series. So we will use this, okay, we will use this to find sinus square now. Okay, let me see. Let us use this to find sinus square. So we know sinus square x, it is, okay, let me just write down here, 1 minus x squared upon 2 factorial plus x4 upon 4 factorial, okay, then plus so on. This is this. We know sinus square is 1 minus cos square x, okay, sinus square is 1 minus cos square x. What does it mean? It means that I have, and they ask to find sinus of x using cosine of x, okay, so here we have just to substitute this value. So sinus square of x will be equal to 1 minus, in this one I will substitute 1 minus x squared by 2 factorial, then plus x4 to the power 4 and 4 factorial, plus so on and on and on. This is square. Okay, so just here what you have to do here, just you have to expand. Okay, see, we have 1 minus x squared upon 2 factorial plus x to the power 4 and 4 factorial square. Okay, I will just work for these three terms. okay, for these three terms. Okay, okay, these three terms. What will it be? Okay, when I have a plus b plus c, okay, plus c square, this is a square plus b square plus c square plus twice ab plus twice bc and plus twice ac. Okay, this is this term here. So this is the same that I will use here. See, I will work on this. So what will it be? It will be 1 minus, okay, 1 minus